Hey guys, welcome out here to 717 area off of Painted Rocks Road. We're going to have an awesome day today. Let's go ride. $7.17 with ice, but it's melting. Hope everyone had a good Easter weekend with all their family and friends. If you have an awesome wife like the brother-in-law and I both do, then they'll give you a hall pass to come out here later in the day and do a little riding. The terrain out here in Colorado is weird. This decomposing granite, if you're out here when it's raining, however it works, the granite kind of interlocks. It becomes more like pavement, and you get like really good grip, and it's not all loose. Some of my fastest times out on trails in Colorado have been when it's actually raining. Because right now, all this decomposing granite just slides around like pea gravel. But when it's wet, it interlocks and you get great traction. So just a fun little note to people that are coming out to Colorado to ride. I mean, some guys, you bring them out and they're like, oh my god, this is awful, because it's like pea gravel. I mean, you get used to it over time, but yeah, if you've never ridden these trails, it's pretty slick when it's dry. Not to mention, this stuff is really dusty too. So if it's real dry, man, and you have a group of bikes, it's pretty bad.
The rock face, that was a new approach.
Ooh, that's a little slick. that was quick. In we go. Oh yeah, into the woods. I like this stuff way more so than the whoops. Not a whoop guy. I mean, there can still be whoops within here, but you tend to be going slower anyways. Steep hill.